Alright guys, we're walking to Target because it says that it's going to be 10 minutes away. So, let's go. So pretty. That they do.
They just park there until they're ready.
It's pretty cool that we're close to a Target.
Yeah. It went from like Fulton's Market to Little Ward.
It did. I want to go see this.
Is this the same one?
I think, yeah, the guy said I definitely want to go on a bus. Check it out.
Fortune Museum.
Good Lord. Oh, wow.
Buy tickets.
Yeah. Ooh. Looks pretty good. Oh, yes. Ooh, Zootopia's playing.
Okay. Look at things.
Hey, Billy Crystal. This is the Chinese theater. Damn, Hilary Swank.
Picture time, being invited. You know, Happy New Year!
Sharon Stone. Oh, look what it
California.
Yeah, he might be around here.
Ooh, this looks so good. Alright. Houdini. Wow, this is a massive souvenir shop.
Take a picture of it here on the spot. Hey, granddad again. Still there? Oh, wait, no.
It's in here somewhere.
I love
The wheels.
that the wheels do that. So easy. Alright guys, we made it to Target and we're gonna get a few things and then go to Marshall's and get a few other things as well. I love the fact that Target's just right here. Not bad. Oh wow. That's perfect because we need detergent.
Alright.
So,
That first.
should we get this and yeah.
I'll put that trolley.
Alright guys, so we're at Target. This one's a small Target, but it's upstairs. I think there's 2 levels. There's 2 levels, I'm pretty sure. But we're getting a few things for the house. This is a little setup. So, let's go. So we're going to level 1. We're at the elevators right now. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Yeah, we was. Alright. Wow. Alright, it's a pretty big Target. I'm guessing it would be that way. Seriously. It was so warm downstairs.
Usually we'll pay for the massive one at Sam's.
I know. I should have gone. I'm so stupid. That's what we get.
That's what we get.
Going. Going down.
All right, guys, so we just got back from Target. We got a few household things because let me just show you the laundry. It is insane. Got a bit of snacks. So we got some Ritz and some paper towels. This was the one that we needed the most because the laundry is not doing so well. It was so much fun, you guys. Target is literally a 10-minute walk from where we live. So we were like, you know what, let's go for a walk just to obviously explore like the area and stuff. And I love this thing. This is amazing. We love it. There is a restaurant at the front. It's a taco place. So we're gonna go and eat something, have a margarita, then come home and chill out for a bit. We were supposed to go to Universal Studios, which is like 10 minutes away from where we live. So I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how we feel. We're slowly getting back to things. Our bodies, I'm not gonna lie, our bodies are done. But we've finally settled in. We have our things. So yeah, we're having a lot of fun, but let's go eat some tacos. In here, right?
Yeah, that's one taco. One mega taco. Beer of the month. The choice should we just get, let's look at the menu.
Yeah. This is so cool. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get some tacos and I'm getting myself a big margarita. Looks pretty good. They have some loaded queso dip, fiesta fries, mucho nachos, quesadilla, tres quesos. Prices are not bad. The Cantina tacos is $12.49 and you get a few. I think this is how their margaritas look.
Should we share one?
I think we should. Yeah. All right. I think we're gonna get the Cantina tacos.
Yeah, you want it with steak?
Yeah.
Fresh mango puree, triple sec, splash of orange juice, sweet and sour, fresh lime juice.
Yeah, I'll get that one.
You wanna get this one?
Yeah, I'm coming with you. That's a good one. It goes down nice and smooth.
You know what this tastes like? This tastes like watermelon Jolly Ranchers.
Yes, yeah, it does. It's so good.
That's pretty good.
Some tahini. Thank you. Alrighty.
This sauce beer is taco.
That's pretty good. The tortillas are so good, you guys. Like, they're made really, really good. They don't break apart like some of them do. This is on Hollywood Boulevard and it's right in front of our apartments. So we're like, let's go check it out. Guys, this is the rooftop of this place. It's so beautiful. You can see everything. Everything. And the best part is that the Hollywood sign is right there. Alright, let's go.
What else was on the list?
A little cart. Kind of happy that the USPS is like 8 minutes away. Alright guys, we're heading off to the USPS. We're just gonna walk it instead because it says that it's an 8-minute walk, so well, let's go. Why not? I want to go to that Larry Enman one today.
On the way back?
Yeah, on the way back. Sounds good to me.
There's more of those big ones.
They're so weird. I'm so excited to come to this place and check them out. Fleetwood Mac. So great.
That means they speak though. All of them.
Thank you. That's kind of weird.
Tim Burton's right here. Back there.
Oh. Whoa.
Rugrats have a big damn son. Dr. Seuss.
That's actually pretty cool because it honors the writers that do the. That's actually pretty cool. Oh, they got some nice shit. Oh, la la. Oh, masala. Got the jewelry store. Boo sold here. We're close. Oh, tattoo place.
Nachos. Wait, this way?
Yep, we found it.
Oh, yeah. This building was abandoned. It's a goddamn fucking rooftop.
Alright guys, so that didn't work. She said that we have to do it online, but that's the thing. We tried to do it online yesterday. Didn't work. We tried 3 cards. Didn't work. So we're trying to change the address, make it smooth, but it's not working. That picture. $12.50. I'm getting this script. And then it says original script. Wait. This is Jack? Is this? Like you found it? That's so cool. Oh look, the Stranger Things. So I actually have the whole movie in script of Casablanca, and when I saw this, literally Richard pointed it out and it said that I had to buy it. Like I had to own it. I know this is just a copy, obviously it's not the original, but the fact that I'm holding the script that Humphrey Bogart read is insane. And it has everything about the movie, like all of it. All of it. It's insane. But it's so cool that it has the date as well. It's like almost 80 years old, I think we saw it, right? 80 years old? 81 years old. It's so insane. And I also picked up the Charm one as well. But this is just season 2, episode 15. So this is just an episode. But it's, as soon as I saw Charmed, I was like, it's coming home with me. And the Casablanca was $15, and so was Charmed. But I cannot believe that I actually have the script in my hands. Like, I don't know, I'm just like, it's crazy. I am going to be in that store, I would say almost daily. What's also cool is that they had the 2002 Spider-Man, and I might get that one. And Richard said that he saw Batman, so I might get those as well. But yeah, these are definitely going to be collectibles for me. So yeah, I'm just so excited that I actually got to see Larry Edmond's store. I follow them on Instagram. I've been following them for a minute now. And I live down the road, so I'm always going to be there. I'm just like, yeah. This, though, yeah. This is, like, my everything. I just can't believe it.